Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E6s, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification, extend the list, and here you'll see a Do Not Disturb toggle. Now it should be visible by default, but if you can't see it, you can tap right here on this little pencil, and this will allow you to find it in the toggles that are turned off. Once you see this toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, and this will apply whatever the default settings of it are. So whatever the manufacturer chose, that's basically what you get. Or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it. So a couple options that I recommend checking out will be calls and messages. This will allow you to select who can call you and who can message you. And then we also have notifications along with duration, which here I have two recommendations. So either you can have it ask every time. This will mean that whenever you manually press on the toggle from the notifications, it will bring up a window with two options like these. Or if you're the type of person that maybe just wants to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, kind of forget about it and have it just do its thing automatically, you can select it, for instance, to be on a time based. Now by default this is 1 hour, but we can increase it. So 8 hours I think will be plenty enough for majority of the people that need to utilize it. Once you forget about it, the device will after 8 hours just automatically turn it off. So you don't need to really remember about it. But do keep in mind that if you only want it for like an hour or so, this will keep it running for 8. And if you forget about it, obviously it will be running for the additional 7 hours that you don't really care for. So you can still turn it off manually if that happens. Or obviously you can customize it to be to ask you every time, or as an example, set up a schedule. And you have the schedule right here, so turn on automatically. We have two of them that are pre-made. We have sleep and event. And if you tap on sleep, as you can see, it works from Monday to Sunday. It starts at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. And if you're planning to use any kind of schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on right here, like this. That's all you would do. Then the device will turn it on and off automatically, and you don't need to do anything extra. But for everybody else who wants to use it manually, at like random moments, once you set it up, just find the toggle, click on it, and there we go. It's now enabled. Now in my case, as you can see, because I did enable it for the 8 hours, that's what I set it up. It's going to be turned on every time for 8 hours, and it will show you also the time that it turns off at. So for me it would turn on at almost like 2 a.m. And obviously if you want to turn it off yourself, simply tap on the toggle once more, and there we go, it's now off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.